Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Learning with Nisha. So today I'm going to show you what I got from Sam's Club. I picked up these popsicles. There's 24 in a pack, 12 pineapple and 12 watermelon. Also got a thing of macaroons. There is a variety pack with about 24 in the pack. Also got a thing of cinnamon muffins. There's 6 in a pack here. And I got some steelhead trout. This was about $18. And then I got some potatoes. These are $9. You get 8 in a pack. Then I also got some ground beef, 3 pounds for $19. 2 pounds of cheese right here. That's like $5. And then I got some deodorant for my boys. There's 5 in a pack for $13. I got a case of water right here. And then I got these strawberry lemonade, half lemonade twist. Those are, I think, $6 right now. And then I got a 12 pack of pizza, half pepperoni, half cheese. Then I also picked up some Angus beef. There is 2.5 pounds here for $16. And then I got this, really good for barbecuing. It comes with ketchup, mustard, and mayo for $9. Came in at a grand total, I believe, $120. Like, comment, and subscribe.